Sumitomo introduces the SumiDrill WDX type new indexable drill for various applications. Here is the comparison of cutting performance. A conventional drill has a noisy cutting sound. The SumiDrill WDX type provides smooth and stable drilling. The SumiDrill WDX type realizes stable machining at the entrance of a hole, as well as a sharp reduction of thrust force. The optimum layout of inner and outer cutting edges enables the WDX type to obtain a consistently machined hole diameter from the entrance to the exit. The SumiDrill WDX type also offers economical drilling because 4 cutting edges are available on a commonly used insert for inner and outer edges. The special chip breaker geometry provides stable chip control in drilling. 3 types of chip breaker exhibit excellent chip control in various work materials. The new indexable drill SumiDrill WDX type is the definitive drilling tool for a variety of applications.